Yep. Hey, you have worms? But
I did, and I opened them up this morning. They were all floating in the top when it rained, and they were outside.
oh shit.
Yeah, I meant to tell you if you want to grab them, and I forgot.
Heard.
Bro, I had some monsters in my yard though.
Yeah.
Oh well. I do got my skip down right.
Heard.
And we're right in. Back down there is probably your best spot for it, where we're gonna be catfishing.
Yeah.
Catfish this time of year, and they're all open like right at the open corner of the mouth.
Yep. Close to the bank. Now we are expecting some rain this morning, so that's no fun. But with that being said, catfish do bite in the rain, according to Catfish Day. I guess the real question is, do catfish bite on Sunday? Well, it's not Sunday, so we don't have to worry about that today. So I guess the real question is, do they bite on Tuesday? Shit, it's not even Tuesday, it's Wednesday. And I think it's a shame that we get along this way. You never loved me. Take it all back now. Back and forth. How could I take you back now? All right. Just getting out to the spot. We got Matt over there with the cast net trying to catch some live shad to get us started with. Water is really murky, but last time I was out here at this exact same spot, caught my personal best. And I'm not chasing fish. There's just not many options to fish out here. This is probably the best bet because this is a creek right here. It goes back there and it stops. Comes out here and you got the main channel a little bit further out that way. But this is a good refuge for catfish to come in and kind of hang out when they're getting off that main highway of the channel. So, yep, I'm going to get...
Fish on. Nice one. You got this thing rolling? It's not showing anything.
Come on, man.
Turtle? Oh no. Carp.
Channel.
Channel? Oh yeah. Big ass channel.
No, bro, it's a little baby flat. Oh, it's barely hooked. Look at that. Yeah, he's light colored. All right. Just moved my whisker seeker pole over here to this tree. We have Mr. Flatty bite. Oh, he's all fucked up. Damn, he's tore up.
Oh, lip is tore up.
You gonna open? I got this camera.
Oh, it's like a turtle butt.
Dang, poor guy. Barely hooked.
Yeah, it's like a turtle bite or something on his lip.
Yeah.
It's pretty though. I'll get through it.
Pretty little flathead. Just a baby. We've got some fishing wire hooked up in this shit. But yeah, just a little baby. But it's pretty. Look at that big old head. Big old head on that thing. Alright. Well, what this we got? Even though this is probably the perfect eater size, you don't want to eat nothing out of these waters. You want to come over here and release that, pull that tripod out. Twist it. There you go. And then twist it the other way. Alright. There you go, and you can put that thing down in the water. It's waterproof. Little flathead action. Hell yeah. Alright.
You want to release it here?
Over here. Same spot where I released my personal best. Alright. It's cool. Just long press. Alright, big gal, let's get you back in the water. Didn't want to wait. Well, now you're stuck, bro. You're not quite big enough for me to get down there and get out. You really want to go under that.
Right.
That's all muddy over here now.
He's super slick. Come, buddy, go around me.